Okay, so working with percents and thinking through and creating proportions. Now, if I say that something is like 7%, let's say 7% sales tax. Let's just use that idea. The price of the item is whole, right? So the price of the item would be 100% because that's the entire price of the item. But if we add sales tax to that, all right, so sales tax is telling us that it's the price, which is 100% plus the 7% sales tax. So 107% is the price plus the sales tax. Okay, so if I know that, let's say the price of something is, it doesn't matter, $15. What is the price after sales tax? Well, there's a couple ways you can do it, but if you're thinking about proportions, if we would say, okay, 100% is the price. 107 is the price after sales tax, right? This is in terms of percents, right? 100% is whole. 100% is the whole plus sales tax. Over here, we're talking, right, the price in dollars. So you'd say, well, the price of the item is 15. I don't know what the price is when I have sales tax. So then we would solve the proportion. But that's how we get the 107. It's the base price, right, the whole item of 100%, adding sales tax. And then we cross multiply. So 100x equals 1,605. Divide both sides by 100, and we would get 16.05. So with 7% sales tax, the price would be 1605. It works the same with decrease, right? So let's say we have a 25% discount on an item that is regularly $40. That's a 4. How much after the discount? Okay, so same idea. The whole item, when the item is $40, that's 100% because 100% is the whole thing. Well, if I go to the discount we take away. So if I take the whole thing and I take away 25%, then 75% is what's left with the discount. Okay, so think about your proportion. If we set this up, again, with percents on one side and dollars on the other, I can say the whole thing, right, the item here, and then the discount is on top. So the discount says I have 75% left, right, because we got rid of 25. And if the original price is 40, then what's the discount price? So that's how we figure out these numbers based off of, are we taking away the cost of, so 100 is kind of like the base cost. And then if it's a markup or sales tax, we're adding to that. And if it's a discount, we're taking away, then you would subtract. So that's kind of the idea of how using percents works in the concept of creating proportions.